वेब डिजाइनिंग मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस में आपका स्वागत है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, टेक्स्ट विद स्ट्रॉन्ग टैग इज डिस्प्लेड एज एंड द ऑप्शंस आर ऑप्शन नंबर 1 इंडेंट, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 इटैलिक, ऑप्शन नंबर 3 लिस्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 बोल्ड एंड द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर 4 बोल्ड. Question number 2, TD tag is used for and the options are option number 1 table row, option number 2 table records, option number 3 table heading, option number 4 row heading, and the right answer is option number 2 table records. Question number 3, the extension of JavaScript file is option number 1 .html, option number 2 .js, option number 3 .css, option number 4 .ajs, and the right answer is option number 2 .js. ये है भैया इसकी एक्सटेंशनिया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, याहू, इन्फोसीक, लाइकोज आर सर्च इंजन, वेब ब्राउजर, न्यूज़ ग्रुप, and the right answer is option number 2 search engine. Question number 5, web page editor works on a principle and the options are option number 1 www, option number 2 html, option number 3 wysiwyg, option number 4 wygwysi, and the right answer is option number 3 wysiwyg. Question number 6, which program is used by web client to view the web page, and the options are option number 1 web browser, option number 2 protocol, option number 3 web server, option number 4 search engine, and the right answer is option number 1 web browser. Question number 7, what is the name of the location address of the hypertext document, and the options are option number 1 uniform resource locator, option number 2 web server, option number 3 file, option number 4 web address, and the right answer is option number 1 uniform resource locator. Question number 9, what are shared on the internet and are called as web page, and the options are option number 1 program, option number 2 cables, option number 3 hypertext document, option number 4 none, and the right answer is option number 3 hypertext documents. Question number 10, how many color names are used by the browsers, and the options are option number 1 8, option number 2 10, option number 3 12, option number 4 16, and the right answer is option number 4 16th. Question number 11, which tag is used to display text in little var of web document, and the options are option number 1 body tag, option number 2 meta tag, option number 3 title tag, option number 4 comment tag, and the right answer is option number 3 title tag. Question number 12, the attribute is used to identify the value of variables, and the options are option number 1 text, option number 2 http, option number 3 content, option number 4 name, and the right answer is option number 3 content. Question number 13, which tag is used to identify the keyword describing the site, and the options are option number 1 comment tag, option number 2 title tag, option number 3 meta tag, option number 4 anchor tag, and the right answer is option number 3 meta tag. Question number 14, which are used with a tag to modify its function, and the options are option number 1 files, option number 2 functions, option number 3 attributes, option number 4 documents, and the right answer is option number 3 attributes. Question number 15, which language is used for creating web page, and the options are option number 1 Pascal, option number 3 HTML, option number 4 basic, and the right answer is option number 3 HTML. Question number 16, what is the abbreviation of HTTP? And the options are option number 1 hypertext tag path, option number 2 hypertext transfer protocol, option number 3 hypertext transfer path, option number 4 none, and the right answer is option number 2 hypertext transfer protocol. Question number 17, the entire web document is contained within, and the options are option number 1 comments, option number 2 tags, option number 3 web pages, option number 4 HTML elements, and the right answer is option number 4 HTML elements. Question number 18, HTML documents should be begin with the, and the options are option number 1 head tag, option number 2 title tag, option number 3 body tag, option number 4 HTML tag, and the right answer is option number 4 HTML tag. Question number 19, the font tag is similar to, and the options are option number 1 big tag, option number 2 small tag, option number 3 marquee tag, option number 4 big and small tags, and the right answer is option number 4 big and small tags. Question number 20, the HTML and HTTP standard are defined by, and the options are option number 1 web client, option number 2 internet association, option number 3 www consortium, and the right answer is option number 3 www consortium. Question number 21, the tag used to add image to the HTML document is, and the options are option number 1 font, option number 2 HR, option number 3 HI, option number 4 IMG, and the right answer is option number 4 IMG. Question number 22, is used to store the data within the document on the server, and the options are option number 1 XML, option number 2 HTML, option number 3 DHTML, option number 4 CGI, and the right answer is option number 1 XML. Question number 23, CGI stands for, and the options are option number 1 Common Gateway Internet, option number 2 Common Gateway Interface, option number 3 Central Gateway Interface, and option number 4 Central Gateway Internet, and the right answer is option number 2 Common Gateway Interface. Question number 24, is a collection of control in HTML, and the options are option number 1 form, option number 2 field, option number 3 table, option number 4 frame, and the right answer is option number 1 form. Question number 25, HTML allows us to create 3 different kinds of, and the options are option number 1 function, option number 2 events, option number 3 files, option number 4 list, and the right answer is option number 4 list. और यहाँ पर क्वेश्चंस होते हैं समाप्त, पूरे 25 हो गए हैं आपके साथ। मिलती हूँ आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। नो बकवास, ओनली काम की बात। बाय बाय।